Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to close account on Indeed Jobs. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to close account on Indeed Jobs. Maybe because you were using your account and now you don't need it any longer, so you want to close it completely. Or maybe you having some issues with your account, so you want to close it and make a new one, or there could be any other reason for you to close your Indeed Jobs account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Indeed app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Indeed app to open it. Once the app gets open, first it will just take a while to load, and after that you will see interface of the app. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom of the screen. So from all these options, you just have to simply click onto these three lines which is on the top right side of the screen. Once you tap onto these three lines, you will get onto another page. There you will see other options as well. Every option here is different from each other and has its own specific purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, you have to simply click on this option settings. Once you tap here, you will see the title of settings and find different option. Now you just have to simply go with this first option, which is account settings. Once you tap on it, you will get here. First, you will read the title of account settings and find bunch of options. So now from all these options, you just have to scroll down and there you will see this red option which says close my account. Once you tap onto this option, it will ask you like, why are you going away from this app? Why are you closing your account? So there are multiple options. You can choose whatever you think is the right option for you. You just have to simply tap onto that option, and with the help of that, you could explain like why are you leaving this. And after that, you just have to simply click onto this option which says close my account. Once you click on close my account, your account will get closed and all your information and data that you have in your account will be lost. So you have to keep that in mind before you are closing your account. If you don't want to lose, then you don't have to close it, you just can sign out. But if you're okay with that, just simply go with that option, and after that a request will be sent to it, and whenever they accept it, your account will get closed. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can close your account on Indeed Jobs. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.